My name is Amanda Hill, and I'm an undergraduate biology major here at Hofstra University. For my undergraduate research project, I'm working with Dr. Russell Burke, who has been working with the Diamondback Terrapin population here in Long Island at Jamaica Bay Wildlife Refuge since 1998. We're looking to see whether the growth ring counts correlate to the age of the turtle, and previous studies of other species indicate that it may not correlate at all. It could be due to environmental conditions or even vary in the consistency throughout the lifespan. So what we did to investigate this was we were using a casting technique, which has two benefits. One, that it's permanent, and two, that it's very high resolution, so you can see things that you couldn't really see with your eye alone. The casts that we got from this summer we're going to compare to the ones of previous years, and if odds are in our favor, casts will overlap from the same individual turtle, and that way we'll be able to look at if a ring was added over that past year. Our goal in making this video was in hopes that you and other researchers would adopt this technique into your normal field processing in hopes of just collecting more data. So the following clip was filmed by two high school students also working on the project, and they're going to just show you the basic materials and methods of how you can accomplish this.
The materials you need are, you need two bowls, one for mixing the dental alginate and one for mixing the plaster. Plastic knife used to stirring. You can use a plaster, or I use a wooden applicator because it's not going to break like the plastic one can. Of course, you need your dental alginate, which makes the negative cast, and your plaster, which makes the positive cast. 1/4 cup for adding materials, and you need just some fresh water. And you want to put the turtle on an upside down bowl. It just makes it easier for you and the turtle. So first, you have to get the pit tag number for this turtle. And we're going to be casting between the 3rd and 4th costals. So you're going to use about 1/4 cup of the dental alginate. About 1/8 cup of water. The powder is going to turn pink, and as it dries, it turns white. So you got to make sure you get it on the turtle before it completely dries, or the cast doesn't work. Sorry for thickness, maybe a little bit thicker than maybe a pancake mix, because you don't want it to drip everywhere. Put it onto the applicator. So when it reaches this color, you have the turtle's head on your left, and you apply it between the 3rd and 4th costals, and you just make little circles like that so it gets evenly distributed. Just hold it in place and wait for it to dry. And you know when it's ready when you touch it and it doesn't stick to your finger. That's when you know it's ready. Gently pull it off. You can see the annuli right here. We're going to be making the positive side. This plaster powder, use about the same. Well, 1/4 cup of plaster, about 1/8 cup of water. Stir it up real good. You don't want it to be kind of clumpy. You want it to be nice, evenly distributed. Should be ready to put this on the cast. So you just want to pour it onto the cast area, and then you can just move it around with a knife. This part should take like 15 minutes to dry, depending on the weather. After it's dried and it's been taken off, you want to, on the back, you want to etch with maybe like a mechanical pencil the pit tag number of the turtle so you can identify it later.